Do your shoes still look fine, but you're wondering if it's time to replace them? The truth is, worn-out shoes can cause discomfort, pain, and even injuries. Here are a few clear signs that you need a new pair. First, look at the soles. If the tread is flat, smooth, or worn unevenly, your shoes can no longer give you proper grip or support. This is especially important for running or workout shoes. Second, check for discomfort. If your feet, knees, or back start to hurt after wearing shoes that used to feel fine, it's often a sign the cushioning and support are breaking down. Third, inspect the structure. If your shoes lean to one side, feel floppy, or have stretched out, they're no longer holding your feet in the right position. Good shoes should support your natural alignment. Fourth, look for visible damage, like holes, tears, thinning fabric, or a detached sole. Even if they still feel wearable, damaged shoes won't protect your feet properly. Fifth, consider time and usage. Athletic shoes typically last about 300 to 500 miles of use, while casual shoes may last longer, depending on quality and care. If you've worn them almost daily for a year or more, they might be due for retirement. So remember, worn-out soles, discomfort, loss of structure, visible damage, and heavy use are all signs it's time for new shoes. Don't wait until pain or injury forces you to replace them. Your feet will thank you.